Yo, what is up, everybody? And today we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Want to make money while you sleep? Of course you do. Who doesn't? Affiliate marketing is where it's at. It's a way to earn passive income by promoting products you love. Now listen up, because this is important. The key to really crushing it with affiliate marketing is choosing the right program for you. That's what we're talking about today. The top affiliate programs that can take your online hustle to the next level in 2024. We're talking big players, niche opportunities, and everything in between. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's do this. First up, we've got the OG of affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates. If you're just starting, this is like stepping into your first boxing gym. A little intimidating at first, but you gotta start somewhere, right? Amazon has it all, from beard oil to books to those weird back scratchers you never knew you needed. That means whatever your niche is, whatever you're passionate about, Amazon probably has a product for it. And the beauty of it? Simplicity. You sign up, grab your unique affiliate link, and promote it however you want. Blog posts, social media, carrier pigeon, the world is your oyster. Now, the commission rates on Amazon can be a little lower than some other programs, but the sheer volume of products and the trust factor of Amazon make it a total no-brainer. Plus, who knows? Maybe someone will buy a whole home theater system after clicking on your link for noise-canceling headphones. Cha-ching! Next, we're stepping up our game and talking about the Shopify affiliate program. If you're into e-commerce, this is like the heavyweight championship of affiliate programs. Shopify is the platform for building online stores, and let me tell you, business is booming. Now here's why the Shopify program is so sweet. They offer some of the highest commission rates out there. We're talking potentially hundreds of dollars per referral. That's because you're not just referring a single product sale, you're bringing them a whole customer who might use Shopify for years to come. Think about it. Someone who's serious enough to build their own online store is invested in their business. They're gonna need Shopify's services, and you get to be the one who introduced them. It's a win-win. All right, moving on to ClickBank. This one's a bit of a different beast. ClickBank is an affiliate network that specializes in digital products. Think online courses, ebooks, software, all that good stuff. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank is the sheer variety. They have products in almost every niche imaginable, so you're bound to find something that aligns with your audience. Plus, digital products tend to have higher commission rates because there's no physical inventory or shipping costs. The downside? You gotta be careful with the quality control. ClickBank has a bit of a reputation for having some, shall we say, interesting products on their platform. But if you do your research and find some solid offerings, you can do really well here. Now, for all my creative entrepreneurs out there, we've got the Adobe Affiliate Program. Adobe, as you know, makes all the software that makes our digital lives possible. Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, the list goes on. And let me tell you, these programs are in high demand. So if you've got an audience that's into design, photography, video editing, or anything creative, this is a no-brainer. The commission rates are solid, and you're promoting products that people genuinely need and use. Plus, Adobe is constantly coming out with new updates and features, so there's always something new to promote. It's a great way to monetize your creative content and help your audience level up their skills at the same time. Last but not least, we've got the Bluehost affiliate program. This one's for all the bloggers, website owners, and online entrepreneurs out there. Bluehost is one of the biggest names in web hosting, and for good reason. They're reliable, affordable, and they make it super easy to get your website up and running. The Bluehost affiliate program is super popular because, well, everyone needs web hosting. If you're creating any kind of online presence, you need a website. And that means you need a hosting provider. And the commission rates are pretty sweet too. We're talking potentially a couple $100 per referral. So every time someone signs up for Bluehost through your link, you're basically getting a bonus paycheck. Not too shabby, right? So there you have it, folks. The top affiliate programs to boost your income in 2024. We talked about Amazon Associates for its vast product selection, Shopify for its high commission rates, ClickBank for its digital product focus, Adobe for its creative software offerings, and Bluehost for its web hosting dominance. Now, I know it can be overwhelming trying to figure out which program is right for you. My advice? Don't spread yourself too thin. Start with one or two that really resonate with your niche and your audience. Do your research, experiment, and see what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and you're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which affiliate programs you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.